Lizette, we're going to go ahead and talk about how you deploy your Fabric Shield hurricane shutters. So all of the shields are going to be stored in cardboard tubes like this, and each tube will be labeled with what opening numbers are inside the tube. So you already have your house map, you know how we numbered everything,
Right.
and we're currently working on opening number 5. So we grabbed the tube, we got opening 5, and we've already pulled the screen out here to make things easy. So if you'll notice, we've got our opening number here. On the right side it says 5, and I got a little note here at the top for top right corner. That's where you're going to want to start.
Okay.
So we've got our shields, we've got our hardware box that has all of our screws and everything we need. We
Okay.
have our information here on the box. That way, if you ever have any questions or if you get how anything works, give us a call. We'll help you out with anything we can over the phone.
Got
But
it.
we got the wing nuts and everything you need right here. So typically when they're not in use, you are going to have vinyl cover studs on each one of your panel mates. We're going to pull all those off, exposing all the threads, and we'll be ready to actually do the installation. So let me go ahead and center up your ladder here. We've got the wing nuts we need for the window right up top. We are ready to go.
This is light.
Yes, incredibly lightweight, and you're going to be surprised exactly how easy it is to go ahead and deploy. So we're going to start with that top right corner. We're just going to slide the stud through the hole just like that. You get the left one, and then once you get those, it's pretty much going to help the screen hold in place. So we can take a wing nut right from the ladder here.
Okay.
And we're going to do the top right first, and then these are just designed to be hand tight. You don't need to strong man them down, just to where they're nice and snug and firm. Perfect.
Okay.
And then once you get that one, you go ahead and do the top left corner. And then once you get these two secure, you'll notice all of the other studs and holes will line up almost automatically, pushing them all the way through.
Okay.
And then you will just continue to use your wing nuts, turning them clockwise, getting them nice and snug, and that'll get you ready for the storm. These do have other hardware options, but this is going to be the most user-friendly and easiest to deploy. No tools are required. You're just turning these wing nuts by hand. And as we talked about earlier, this is a Florida Building Code approved product.
Right.
So it's something that we've been using in our company for over 20 years. It's a very popular option. It's one of the most affordable shutters in the industry, and we see this a lot with new construction homes and then existing homes like yourself, to go ahead and cover each opening, whether it's windows, doors, patio areas, to keep you secure for the storm. And you got this one here on the right side, fantastic.
I'm
And then
done
we're
with
going to do
that.
the same exact thing on the left.
So you don't, does this typically involve just like, do you need is this a two-person job, or you can do it by yourself?
I mean, it's designed to be a one-person job, but a helper always makes things easier. So if you have someone that you can enlist their help with, it'll make the day go by a little bit quicker. But I have customers that are well into their 70s that deploy their shutters by themselves, and they've been doing it for years. So this is a very user-friendly product. It's designed to be able to be hung by anybody. Yeah, it's great.
And I am on to my last one.
Looking like a real expert.
It's my first time. Okay.
And
Done.
just like that, you're ready for the storm. So we're fully secured. We got everything tightened down, and this opening is secure and ready, and we're ready to go to the next one.